A warm welcome to the course AI for Managers. I think we all agree that AI is going to impact virtually every industry and human being. So, before we dive deep into the course, let's look at how AI is impacting us today and what will be its role in the future. So, let's look at first where is AI today? Alright, how many times have you bought more than what you have planned for? Thanks to these recommendation engines. Recommender systems are used by retailer sites to deliver personalized experiences to customers as they understand personalization improves the overall sales by 5% and delivers 5x to 8x the ROI on marketing spends. Today, product recommendation engines are based on algorithms that take into account massive amount of customer data, including preferences, buying history, feedback, and more, to deliver precise suggestions to customers. And today, AI is also helping many companies to offer better services to their customers. Companies have started providing customer support on chatbot, allowing companies to service their customers anywhere and anytime. It not only helps companies save money round the clock on support, but also provide answers to customer query quickly. Like in this case, customers can ask the bot about their accounts, reviews, purchase history. They can monitor spending levels, learn about cardholder benefits, and many more things, thus helping deliver delightful experience to their customers. And this is a very interesting application. Now even farmers are using robots. They can use AI to manage weeds by implementing computer vision, robotics, and machine learning. With the help of AI, data is gathered to keep a check on the weed, which helps the farmer to spray chemicals only where the weeds are. This directly reduces the usage of chemical spraying over the entire field. As a result, AI reduces the usage of pesticides and thus helping the farmers to produce more organic produce, right? Now, AI is just not only about business automation, it is also helping people with disabilities to experience the world in unique ways. Computer vision methods such as object recognition, scene understanding, and visual questioning answering holds great promises in easing the lives of 1.1 billion people with visual impairments. Similarly, audio to text and text to audio conversion systems are helping dumb and deaf people to live life in a new way. And this is my favorite one, where players like even Djokovic are using AI to analyze their own game and understand their competition better. Companies have developed AI models which analyze up to 25 key performance indicators such as error, serve shots, placements, and shot tolerance, service sub areas, and more, eventually helping player to visualize their game better and better. AI solutions help player go beyond just basic stats. For example, AI can further dissect the baseline points by rally time, speed of serve, and many more, thus helping to convince the player that their focus should be on those early touches. So now you can see how AI is creating tremendous value not only in the tech industry but also outside of it. AI in the future holds a lot of promises for all the industries and for many business functions across these industries. Looking at the future, AI is estimated to create an additional 13 trillion US dollar of value annually by 2030. Today, industries like retail, healthcare, financial services, automotive manufacturing have started reaping the benefits of AI. In the near future, AI would be the key differentiator between the leader and the follower. So let's take the first step to becoming the new leaders. Thank you.